Alright guys, got the Outcast 8S out finally, back again. We got some decent weather here mid-February, so I just had to come and try to, you know, get this truck sorted out. So I've been having issues with the diff in the back, stripping out gears. I upgraded to the aluminum housing, and hopefully that solves the issue. I kept stripping one of the gears in there, and I'm sick of replacing it. So we're gonna see if it's gonna hold up. I'm at my propaganda land here. We're gonna hit the fresh park, we're gonna hit the dirt ramps, and we're just gonna see what happens. It's a little muddy, so I don't know how the truck's gonna handle that, but we're gonna get out there, test it, and see if these gears are gonna hold up. All right, gonna try. Oh yeah. Oh, I don't know why I hit the brake there. Nose dived it. That was bad. It's going good. Just hoping this gear holds up.
It's raining mud.
Yeah, it's muddy for sure. Yeah. Oh, there's a pipe there. Wow, the torque on this thing is just insane. Wow, clearing it, no problem. Yeah, buddy. She's going good. Oh, look at that. I got my little fetcher. Look at her go. That was a pretty hard hit, but I don't think it was too bad. Hopefully nothing's broken. I'm upside down. Help me, help me. Two hands! Okay, I think we survived. Wow, it's been a while since I had the 8S out. Oh! Truck's running good. I do have a slightly bigger pinion on here. Oh! Alright, well, she's going good. Really getting some air there. Yeah. Almost went off property. Nice. Oh yeah. Man, I forgot how fun this truck really is. Wow, it's clearing it, no problem. Woohoo! Tons of torque. Woohoo! Serious air. Oh! I got a nice backflip there, baby. Oh! Oh! Pulled it out. That was rough. All right, let's see what we can do here. Nothing's broken. It looked like it was doing something funny. Nope. Ship shape. Yeah. Got him. Wasn't as clean as I wanted, but I did it.
Wasn't as muddy as you wanted.
Yeah! All right, let's see if we can hit the fresh part. Get a good angle from here. Oh, yeah! That was sick. Oh, yeah, baby. I'm feeling it now. Fucking feeling it. Oh, yeah, no problems with the diff today. She is taking a beating. Wow. Running good, guys. Running real good. Full speed. Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo! Oh! Woohoo! Yeah! Can't see. Woo, I saved that one. That was about to be disastrous. Truck is running great. Wow, it's running really good today. Well, I'm glad the diff is holding up, because last time I took it out, it just immediately blew a diff gear, and I was really mad. I wonder if the soft sand that I was driving in had anything to do with it. Oh yeah, baby. Let's see that again. Woo-hoo. Yeah, she is just ripping. Rip it. Floating. Floating real good. Wow, what a big truck. Just pulled that one out. That was nuts. I wasn't quite going as fast as I should have. Oh, I hit a rock or something. Whew. I think the batteries are dying because I'm losing some power in the air. She's getting hot. All right. Whew, I'm gonna call it. Well, it almost got bad. That pin was sticking out. For whatever reason, the nut on this side, I can't not have it come loose. I've changed it a bunch of times, but everything was holding up really well. This bottom tie rod as well, this always comes loose. I think I just gotta add Loctite to this stuff. But it looks like everything's held up pretty well. I got the M2C pieces on my rod ends there for the tower to tower braces. I am up 2 gears on the pinion, if anyone was wondering about that, and I do have M2C drive shafts, but that diff gear didn't seem to be a problem. I'm wondering, oh look, it looks like this come loose too. So yeah, I gotta clean it all up and assess everything, but looks like we had a successful bash, guys. Truck was running great. I couldn't believe it. The backflips were amazing. I was having a great time, and 8S, baby. That's all I can say. If you don't got one, well, you should get one. Catch you in the next video. Peace.